afternoon, everyone. This is Rob with St. Catharines Truck and Tractor Freightliner. I want to introduce you to this new 2017 Western Star glider. This particular truck is a little different than the other videos that you've seen. This truck was ordered in as a rolling glider. The axles were supplied by the factory and the engine was supplied by the customer. This particular customer had a recently rebuilt Cummins ISX engine that was given to us, and we installed the engine supplied to us by the customer. So this will get you thinking that about other engines that you may have that are in good condition, freshly rebuilt, coming out of a truck that's in very poor condition. We can order in the truck of your choice and then have that engine installed for you. The original glider program was originally designed for situations where a customer maybe had a low mileage truck that was involved in an accident and the powertrain was in very good condition. This would be a good example of this type of a truck. If you look at it, it's a 2017 Western Star set forward, 4900. We haven't even taken off the decals off of the chrome on the chicken lights here. Let me get you to have a look at the job of the installation that our technicians did. I think you'd be really impressed. And this is the best part of the equation, is that you're having it done by factory trained technicians. Okay, so this is a used engine that came out of the customer's truck, put into a brand new truck. So you'll see we've got brand new steer tires, brand new steering axle. We've got the oversized power steering pump. The rest of the truck is brand new with brand new truck warranty. We've got the new, I guess we'll call them Cascadia seats, is what they look like. Power locks, mirrors, and windows. Turn on the key here. The truck has 200 kilometers. We've done some road testing on the truck as well. And it's got a little mini sleeper. So, get your thinking caps on when you look at this truck, because this can be done. We do this actually on a regular basis, where we're actually taking donor components from customer supplied vehicles and assembling the truck completely. These are the tires that we just installed on the truck for the time being. The customer has his own tires that he's going to supply to us. I'm going to turn this off so we can hear a little bit better. Okay. This will be registered as a brand new 2017 tractor. When the truck gets to the customer's place of business, he'll put his own tires on here. You've got a 36-inch sliding fifth wheel. Nice looking truck. The customer saved a small fortune because we're not dealing with the engine cost. We just pulled that out of his old, I think it was a Volvo. This has no EGR, as you can see. This is the main point of the glider program, is that you're getting a pre-emission engine which is super reliable and easy to fix just about anywhere in a brand new chassis. So if you've got a truck that's all wore out and tired, but you've got a relatively new powertrain, we can certainly quote you on truck of your choice, and you can supply us the components and we'll install them for you. So give us a call in regards to that. My number is 844-489-8789. It's Rob, St. Catharines Truck and Tractor Freightliner. Thank you.